Hey, Lisa here. If you're a coach or a consultant, you're getting clients and you're generating revenue, maybe you're sitting between 10 and 30K per month. You're likely still stuck in the cycle of manual growth, inconsistent lead flow, and a business that depends far too much on you. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the simple system that 6 and 7 figure coaches are using to become the go-to authority in their niche, to attract high quality clients consistently and build businesses that don't depend on them grinding 24/7 just to keep the business going and growing. Because as a coach or consultant, you don't have an expertise problem, right? You have built your expertise, but you likely haven't built in a scalable client acquisition system. And so eventually you hit a ceiling because it doesn't matter how good you are, the business still depends on your time, your energy, your availability, and how much you show up. And that's not why you started this business. You started it because you wanted more freedom, more impact, more income, and the ability to build something meaningful around your expertise. And that's exactly what the influential voice method is designed to help you to create. Now, I'm going to break it down in detail, but this is the exact system that I use to go from hourly coaching, roller coaster income, and relying on referrals to building a scalable online business that attracts and converts clients every day. It took me from 15K months to 50K months. And it's the same system that helped Marilyn to fill her calendar with high-paying, high-quality customers. Fez go from fully booked gym coach to a £1 million online coaching business, and Phil to sell his $6,000 DJ coaching business and mentorship and hit £1 million in just 12 months. They all built authority-based businesses around their expertise using this system. Now, let me show you how it works. You want to become an influential voice in your niche, to have more money, more meaning, and more freedom. Now, the inner circle here around this triangle represents the problem that most business owners are stuck in. You're leaking authority, you are lacking visibility, you have inconsistent leads, good months and bad months, but no leverage, and you're constantly hustling. You're doing everything manually, and you don't have a real system behind the business. The business still depends too much on you. The business becomes exhausting to sustain, and at some point, referrals stop being enough, and you realize you can't scale a serious business manually. Now, the outcome that most coaches and consultants actually want is, well, they want to become an influential voice in their niche. But I'm not talking about just being visible, trusted, recognized, known, sought after, to be chosen and not chasing. And once you become an influential voice, you naturally attract better clients. You can charge premium prices. You stop competing on price. Opportunities come to you, and your business starts growing around your authority instead of around your availability. So how do we create that? Let's take a look at the next layer. And this next layer is called, well, on this side of the triangle, impactful delivery, because your voice sits at the top, the middle, and the bottom of your funnel. It attracts, it nurtures, it converts, and it delivers. Now, the coaches that are growing the fastest right now are not always the most experienced. They are the ones who can communicate the best. So if your message is unclear, forgettable, emotionally flat, people will just scroll past you, or they'll compare on prices, or they'll just choose someone who communicates with more authority. People buy from people. They buy the connection to you, not to your products and services. So if you want to charge premium prices, you need to become known in your niche. And your audience needs to trust you before they can trust your offer. Then we move on to the lead problem, and we fix this with leads every day, because inconsistent leads create inconsistent income. Hoping clients will come to you is not a marketing strategy. And at some point, you realize that referrals are great, but referrals cannot scale predictably alone. And then the third side of the triangle is your automated systems, because freedom comes from removing yourself as the bottleneck in your business. You need a system that generates leads and qualified book calls and sales consistently without any involvement from you, so your pipeline doesn't disappear the moment you take time off. So let's now move to the outer circle, and I'll show you how we can build your influence, your impact, and your income with this system. So we're going to go back to impactful delivery. And inside this pillar, we help you to master what we call the impact advantage. This is where we refine your voice, your presence, your message, and your communication style, so your message is clear, it's compelling, and people actually feel something when you speak. You become a powerful communicator. And then we move into owning the spotlight. This is where we help you to show up with unshakable presence, whether that's on camera, on webinars, on podcasts, on stages, and in conversations. Because visibility is no longer optional. You need to become the front person of your business. Not use an AI avatar, not using a spokesperson, but you showing up authentically you. Because as I said, people buy from people. So the more visible you are, the more authority you build. And then we move on to leads every day. Now, inside this pillar, we work on your authority builder. Now, this is your signature talk, the one talk that positions you as the authority in your niche, the talk that grabs attention, builds emotional connection, changes beliefs, educates your audience, creates wow moments, and naturally leads people towards wanting to work with you. No pressure. They become clear on the value that you can offer them. And it's a 40 to 45 minute talk, so just the right amount of time that is needed to warm up a prospect. Now, once we have that talk, then we naturally transition into lead generation mastery, because eventually, as a business owner, you want to grow and scale, but then you realize you need a predictable lead flow, which is why then you need to start looking at paid ads. But many people who do this are terrified of ads, overwhelmed by funnels, or they've already wasted thousands on agencies and marketing systems that just didn't work. Because cold traffic does not buy from strangers, which is why before we can scale the traffic, we need to build trust first. Now, we show you how to use simple ads, strategic short-form content, and YouTube or Meta traffic to consistently drive qualified people into your signature talk without needing giant production teams, without needing to post 24/7, and without constantly chasing clients manually. Now, finally, after this, we move into our automated systems. And the first of these is what we call the evergreen machine. This is where your signature talk becomes an automated webinar system that builds trust, generates leads, and books qualified calls consistently in the background, day in, day out. And then finally, we build your freedom game plan. This is where we create your pages, your automations, your email sequences, and the client journey. So the business finally starts feeling streamlined, predictable, and scalable. No more duct taping software together, no more chaotic marketing, no more manual hustle, but instead, you build a client acquisition system around your voice, your message, your authority. Now, when all these three sides of the triangle work together, everything shifts and your influence, your impact, your income can scale. You stop relying on hope, referrals, and inconsistent visibility. And instead, you build a business where your authority attracts clients, your systems nurture the trust, and your marketing then works even when you are offline. And that's how you become the most influential voice in your niche. Not to become famous, but to be the go-to name in your industry. And ultimately, that then creates what most business owners really want: more meaning, more money, and more freedom. Now, imagine waking up to qualified leads who are already moving through your system. They're watching your signature talk. They're building trust with you. They're booking calls, already understanding your value before you even speak with them. That is leverage. That is scalable authority. And that's what changes everything. So if we just take a look back here at this entire system, I want you to do something really simple. I want you to mentally rate yourself in each area using a traffic light system. Now, green means that you've already mastered it. Amber means it's working kind of, but it's inconsistent. And red means this is a current major bottleneck in your business, because if you've been in business for a while now, you already know where the gaps are because you feel them every day. And usually these are the areas, the ones that are showing red, are the exact things that are keeping your business stuck at this current level. So let's quickly go around this system together. And we're going to start with impactful delivery. I want you to gauge for yourself, how confident are you that when people hear you speak, when they watch your content or they land on a webinar, they immediately see you as the authority? Do people instantly understand what makes you different? What makes your method work? And why are you the obvious choice? Or do you sometimes feel unclear, forgettable, hard to explain, maybe emotionally disconnected when you share your message? I want you to think, how would you rate yourself? Are you a green? Are you an amber? Or are you a red? Okay. Now let's move around to leads every day. Right now, have a think to yourself. Do you have a predictable system bringing qualified leads into your business consistently? Not talking about random referrals. I'm not talking about occasional inquiries, people landing on your website, but actual predictable lead flow. Do you wake up every morning knowing that new qualified people are entering into your world every day? Or does your pipeline still feel inconsistent, manual, and heavily dependent on hope and how much you're showing up? Are your leads pre-sold before calls? Or are you still spending hours speaking with people who just are not a good fit? Remember, time is our most valuable asset. So how much time are you spending on these kinds of calls? How would you rate yourself here? Green? Or are you amber? Or are you red? And then finally, the automated systems. Does your business currently scale beyond your time? I mean, if you disappeared for 3 days, would leads still come in? Would sales still happen? Would your authority continue to grow? Or would something slow down the moment that you take some time off? Do you have automations, systems, nurture sequence, and an authority machine that's working in the background? Or does the business still depend heavily on this manually hustling? Okay, take a moment and decide, are you here? Are you a red? Are you an amber? Or are you green? Here's the important thing. This is not about being judgmental of yourself, because you became great at what you do. There's no question about that, but nobody has shown you how to turn your expertise into predictable client acquisition and scalable growth. And that's exactly why I created the Influential Voice Accelerator program. So if you've identified a few orange or red areas and you're serious about becoming the most influential voice in your niche, here's what I'd love to invite you to do next. Book an influential voice breakthrough session. On this call, we're going to identify the biggest thing that's currently stopping your growth. We'll map out where your authority and your client acquisition systems are breaking down. And we'll show you also how putting a signature talk into your business could bring in qualified leads every day and help you to create a simple roadmap for growing your influence and your income. Now, even if we never work together, you are going to come away with clarity around exactly what needs to change. And of course, if it makes sense to continue the conversation, then we can show you what it looks like to work with us inside of the Influential Voice program. Now, I do have to say, because this is hands-on, you get direct access to me, you get direct access to my team. We only take on a small number of clients into this program every month. And we are very selective about who we work with because, well, we want to like working with you, but more importantly, we want to be 100% sure that we can get you results. So if you're tired of this roller coaster income, if you're tired of being and doing everything in the business, but still struggling to grow, if you're tired of seeing other people with less experience as the go-to expert while you stay less known, but you want more influence, more meaning, more money, and more freedom, all I want you to do right now is to go down to the description and click the link below and book your strategy session. Let's build a business around your authority, not around your availability. Okay? So go find that link, schedule a call with us, complete the application form, and then get ready. Let's map out your visibility and your growth strategy. All right? We'll speak soon.